So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Enjoy with Ashna. So I hope you have subscribed my channel given below. If not, please click on the subscribe button given below. So as we all like colors, so even I also like colors. So any guesses what today's video is? Yes, about colors. Any guesses? That? Okay. Now I'll tell you what today's video is. So today's video is magic of mixing colors. So I like so many colors. So like watermelon is the example of I like the color. So if you want to learn all the colors from me, please watch my video till the end. So let's enjoy the video. So there are 6 basic colors: white and black, green and yellow, and blue and red. So these are 6 basic colors. So my first color is I'm gonna make baby pink. So first we are gonna start with my favorite color, baby pinks. So for that we have red and white color, and then white color. See, our baby pink is ready. It's so marvelous, right? I like light colors, so that's why I like baby pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna make orange color. So for that, we have to take red color, and then yellow color. So see, our orange color is ready. Now we are gonna make gray color. For gray color, I'm gonna take black and white color. So first I'm taking a more white. So now I'm gonna take a pinch of black color. So now see, our gray color is ready. Is it looking good? If yes, please like my video. So now I'm gonna make sky blue color. For that I'm gonna take white color and then a pinch of blue color. So now, see, our sky blue color is ready. It's looking so good, yeah? If yes, please subscribe my channel. So now all the colors are ready in secondary colors. So now, one is left. Oh my god. So now we are gonna make brown color. So for that I'm gonna take red and black, and then a pinch of black color. So see, brown color is ready. No, I think I should take more red. Now our brown color is ready. I have made dark brown. If you want to make light brown, take more red. As I have already told you how to make secondary colors, so you have to take two primary colors and your secondary colors are ready. So now we'll move to tertiary colors. So now I'm going to show how to make tertiary colors. We can make tertiary colors by mixing a primary color with the secondary color. Okay, so let's make our first color. So our first color is red orange. So for red orange I'm gonna take red and then orange. So I have already made orange. So see here, red orange color is ready. So now I'm gonna make ocean mist. So for ocean mist we have to take blue color, and then green color, and then white color. Oh no, we have it's looking like bluish shade. So now I'm gonna take more blue and green. First blue and then green color. Oh my god, it's not being ready. I think I should take more blue. So, yay! We have made our color ocean mist. I think some more white should be there. So our ocean mist color is ready perfectly. So now I'm gonna make what should I make? Mustard color. Okay. So for that I'm gonna take some brown color, and then yellow color, and then white color. Oh no, I have made skin color, it's okay, but so now I think I should take more brown for mustard. Oh, what is this? I think I should take more yellow for it. Yay! Finally we have passed. We have made mustard color. So now I'm gonna make lemon yellow. For that I'm gonna take some green color, and then some yellow color, and then a pinch of white color. Oh my god. Now I think I should take more yellow. Yay. Yes, I have finally made lemon yellow. You can make it color it in the grass. So now I'm gonna make sunflower color. So for making sunflower, I'm taking orange color, and then yellow color, and then a pinch of white color. I think I should take more yellow. I mean orange. think I should take more yellow. Finally, I have done. I think I should take more yellow. I mean orange. So now our sunflower color is done. So hope you enjoyed the video. So today I have shown you how to make secondary and tertiary colors with primary colors. So you can try this at your home and you can make these colors with acrylic and oil pastel colors. So I have made one more thing today. So this is my calligraphy. Did you like it? If yes, please like, share and subscribe my video. So till then, love you all. Bye bye.